Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best DampRid large moisture absorber bucket on the market. The DampRid High Capacity Moisture Absorber Bucket, fragrance-free, with a generous 2 pounds and 15.5 ounces of moisture-absorbing power. If you're struggling with excess moisture, musty odors, or dampness in large spaces like basements, garages, or storage areas, this product might just be your new best friend. Let's start by talking about what makes this DampRid bucket stand out. First off, it's designed for high-capacity moisture absorption. With almost 3 pounds of absorbent crystals, it can tackle larger spaces up to 300 square feet efficiently. What's really cool is that it's fragrance-free, which means it eliminates odors instead of just masking them with a scent. For those who prefer a neutral smell or have sensitivities, this is a great feature. Included with the bucket is a moisture detection strip. This strip helps you easily detect and measure excess moisture levels in your room, so you know exactly where DampRid is needed the most. It's a simple way to monitor humidity without guessing. The way this product works is straightforward yet effective. You place the bucket in the room, and it attracts moisture from the air. The crystals inside trap and absorb the excess moisture, converting it into liquid that collects at the bottom of the bucket. There's a clear replacement indicator line, so when the liquid reaches that point, you know it's time to replace the crystals. This system requires no electricity, making it safe and cost-effective. It can last up to 6 months, depending on your room's temperature and humidity, which is a decent duration for a moisture absorber. In terms of size and design, the bucket measures about 17.7 inches deep, 9 inches wide, and nearly 7 inches tall. It's compact enough to fit discreetly in corners or under furniture, but large enough to provide serious moisture control. The bucket also comes with a secure lid that helps contain the crystals and liquid, preventing spills and making disposal clean and hassle-free. Now, where can you use this? It's ideal for larger areas such as basements, garages, crawlspaces, boats, RVs, or even storage rooms. Anywhere that tends to suffer from dampness or stagnant air can benefit. Plus, it's perfect for those who want a chemical-free, energy-free way to reduce moisture and improve air quality. One important safety note is to keep this product out of reach of children and avoid using it in moving vehicles, as the liquid inside can spill if disturbed. Also, it's recommended to discard the bucket when the liquid reaches the indicator line rather than trying to refill or reuse the crystals. The brand DampRid has been known for moisture control solutions for many years, and this high-capacity bucket is a reliable option for people dealing with humidity problems. It offers an easy, low-maintenance way to keep your living or storage spaces dry and fresh. To sum up, the DampRid High-Capacity Moisture Absorber Bucket provides a strong, fragrance-free solution to excess moisture issues in large spaces. Its included moisture detection strips add a helpful monitoring feature, and the no-electricity design makes it safe and simple to use. Whether you have a damp basement, musty garage, or a storage area needing better air quality, this bucket is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for effective moisture control for large spaces, the DampRid High Capacity Moisture Absorber Bucket might just be the solution you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.